At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
Well, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Thanks for checking in with your afternoon weather update. It's a beautiful day. But stick with me here for a second because we do have severe weather that could ramp its way back up. I'll explain details coming up here in just a moment. Cold front swinging its way on through. The winds are gusting. Once the cold front passes us by, I think the winds will start to relax a little bit. We have some stronger thunderstorms down to our south as our storm system continues to sag its way to the south. But look at the abundant sunshine across the entire state. And right here at home, we're gradually clearing those skies out. And that's going to be the story for the rest of the day today. So increasing sunshine, breezy and warm today. Really not too terribly bad. Tomorrow, we're talking about some morning, mid to high level clouds, isolated afternoon showers, a few thunderstorms, no severe weather threat. But Monday, Tuesday night into Wednesday, we have a chance for some strong thunderstorms as those race their way back in. Here's your wind speeds for the day today. The winds are going to be rather gusty, but relax overnight tonight. Then the winds will be much, much quieter as we get into our Sunday. Your forecast for the day today, 77 here at the lunch hour, low 80s as we get into the afternoon, maybe a few pockets of mid 80s. And then we'll drop down into the upper 70s by 8 o'clock tonight. I know it's Saturday. Humidity's still up, so it's not necessarily like we're talking about some beautiful fire pit weather, but it shouldn't be too terribly bad. It's not going to be too hot if you want to enjoy some outdoor activities later on this evening. Look at these highs today, though. Upper 80s across the Southern Valley, low to mid 80s across the Tennessee-Kentucky border and the northern Cumberland Plateau. Here's our rain chances. They're going to ramp their way back up as we get into our Sunday. Just a couple of passing showers can't be ruled out. Some diurnal thunderstorms as we get into our Monday. But Monday, we got a little disturbance that's going to swing on through. That may spark off some strong to severe thunderstorms, and we'll do it again Tuesday night into Wednesday as a little bit of a stronger system swings in, and that's going to drop our humidity as we get into next week. So here's your Sunday into Monday forecast. We've got a little wave of energy that's going to settle on in, so could see a couple of isolated strong thunderstorms there. Monday to Tuesday, much more of the same. That does include parts of East Tennessee. And then Tuesday into Wednesday, a bigger storm system is set to arrive. And so as of right now, this is day number 4 with the Storm Prediction Center. So we don't necessarily have a level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 risk. We have probabilities of 15 or 30% or greater. That's the risk level. But again, that does include us right here in East Tennessee. Let me show you the big picture pattern. We pick up our timeline here tonight at 7 o'clock. We got a frontal boundary hanging out with us, and we're going to get some showers and thunderstorms are right along that frontal boundary. So that's why we're going to see some showers and storms on Monday. From warm front swings its way on through, that's going to spark off some showers and thunderstorms as we get into our Tuesday. And as we get into our Tuesday night, Wednesday, here comes another cold front. And that cold front's going to spark off some severe weather around our region. So as we progress through time, we'll give you a little bit more detail, fine-tune the details of this forecast here as we get into our Monday and, of course, on Tuesday as well. The rainfall is going to pick back up again. Not a total washout here this week, but you're definitely going to see more rainfall. Could see about an inch of rain here in East Tennessee over the next 7 days. Dew points, let me just explain something. This is going to be amazing. Dew points will climb a little bit. So today, dew points in the upper 50s, low 60s for dew points. This is the amount of moisture in the atmosphere, by the way. Monday, Tuesday, higher dew points, a little bit muggier conditions. Cold front comes through Tuesday into Wednesday, drops our dew points. Remember, the lower the dew point, the lower our morning lows will go. But it's not just those morning lows that are going to drop. It's our high temperatures as well. So we'll stay in the 80s all the way through Tuesday. Wednesday, we're down to 75 degrees. And how about your Thursday? We're talking the highs only in the mid to upper 60s. And Friday morning, we could have low temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. So some chillier weather is on the way. It's so nice outside, but a bit on the breezy side. So I want to end this forecast with a live look at the lunch hour anyways from Fox Road Marina. Camera's bouncing around a little bit. We've got a few clouds hanging out with us, but increasing sunshine. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday.